Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I'm on Vanderbilt Beach by the Turtle Club restaurant at the Vanderbilt Beach Resort. Standing where normally all their tables and chairs and umbrellas are. The surf is up. The water is already coming up over the seawall at times. Some pretty big waves, some pretty big surges coming up on shore here. Hopefully these barriers that they put out here at the resort help out and do some good. Like I said, that water's already been running up to the building and down along up onto the sidewalk back in there. This is a lot stronger than Helene. Nothing to be messing with. Just a few minutes ago I was live and there was some guys standing out here. One guy, the waves hit the seawall and he was completely covered by a wave. It was unbelievable. Sometimes we get some big ones, then they kind of slow down, then we get big ones again. The wind's kind of coming out of the south. Obviously, when that wind comes out of the west, it's going to be a lot worse. You don't want to be out on that beach. The beach is impassable now. Way too dangerous. I'm going to take a stroll down to Vanderbilt Beach Park, see if you can even get out on the beach there. I don't even want to get too close to the seawall. The sand is really soft here. A lot of soft pockets you sink down into. This will be it for me coming out during the storm. Obviously it's just going to be getting worse and worse from here in North Naples. And much worse up to the north of us, which the storm is up to the north of us right now. Looks like it's going to come in somewhere around Sarasota, in between Sarasota and Tampa Bay. Some rain starting to kick up, a little bit of wind picking up now. Prayers for the Turtle Club. Boy, these guys have been hit hard with storms. Hit really hard. Those waves are ferocious. The camera doesn't do it justice. All right, I'm gonna start a live feed and walk down to Vanderbilt Beach Park and see what that looks like. Walk down Gulf Shore Drive there. Wow. Mother Nature. The fury of Mother Ocean. Wow. It's incredible. It's hypnotic though. Man. Okay, I'm down at the south end of Vanderbilt Beach. I lost my microphone, so you're going to have to deal with the wind noise. Sorry about that. But that water is already spilling out into the street. Folks standing on that sand pile. The surge is pushing out onto Gulf Shore Drive. A lot of folks out here checking things out. Get out of this wind. Give you a look at the parking area here. You can see the water running down the street. just like Helene, just about the same time. Woo, it's windy. So Gulf Shore Drive is actually closed. Down towards the middle of Gulf Shore Drive, the water is actually surged up over. The tide is coming up and it's coming from the bay side out onto Gulf Shore Drive, down around the middle. According to the deputies over there, they do have it closed off. And it's going to be getting worse and worse and worse. Oh my Lord. Not good, my friends, not good. A lot of folks coming out to see what's going on, though. There's that river, the beginning of the river. Wow. So sad seeing this happening all over again. Less than 2 weeks ago we went through this. The people up to the north of us, oh, pray for them. Pray for them. Hey Robert, could you do me a favor, a huge favor?
Yeah.
Could you get me that plastic housing that I put on the floor of the seat? Yeah. It's 2 parts. That'd be awesome. Yeah, the deputies are down there surveying what's going on. Wow. Talking to my buddy Robert. This is not good. It's not stopping the people from coming out, though. It will. It's going to be getting pretty bad. Don't come out here. Let me do the looking for you. All right. I got to get going. Thanks for watching. Woo, there's another big blast of wind. Tally-ho, my friends. Tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.